Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Hi there, today we're looking at the Asus ROG Ally Travel Case. So if you have one of these, you're going to need one of these because this is a lovely machine. You can see the screens there. You don't want to be getting scratches on this as you're carrying around. You don't want to be getting it wet if you're caught in the rain. So this is a great product to have. You can buy it directly from the Asus website. In the UK, you can also get it from Currys as well. So when you open up this box, what do you get? Well, you get this. So this is the case. Round the side, it's got sort of Gamers, Republic of Gamers on it. That goes all the way around, and you have a zip here. The material itself is actually supposed to be water repellent. So it's meant to be, if you're out, you get caught in the rain, you have an accidental spill. This is meant to sort of repel the water. Obviously, don't put it in there and put it in your swimming pool. But for those kinds of events where you're out, you've got your Asus ROG Ally with you. You don't want it getting wet in the rain. This seems like a good product, but you usually put it in this and probably in your backpack. So let's just open this up. So just a zip there, as you can see, quite nice seal here across there. Unlike some of the products where you have the zip exposed, you've actually got a quite good seal. That's just a warranty card, so you know you can just put that to the side. What you notice with this, and this is quite important when you're getting it, because if you get the ROG, and I'm holding that the right way, it's got the ROG there. If you take this, you open it up and you put it in that way, that will be the wrong way to put it in. So when you actually put it in, you are going to want to turn it upside down. The reason why I say that is if you have a look here, you have got an indent for the joysticks. And if you can have a look, this one's lower down than that one. So you're going to want to put it in upside down and then close it up so that the joysticks sort of slot into there. And then just zip this up. And as you can see, it's quite a form-fitting sort of case. Again, that's what I was sort of talking about, the zip, that it's not exposed on the outside, which I think is quite nice with this all the way around. And if I just open this back up again, so what you've got, and the other way of actually also closing it up if you want to do, is just slot this directly into those holes, so you've got the joy controllers the right way and zipping it up. The other thing that this has is a little pouch here, so if you want to put in SD cards, for example, there's a little bit of space here, but I don't think that's going to be really useful for much more. So probably two cards you can put in there if you wanted to. The other thing this has got is it's got Velcro on the back of here. So if you have a look at that, there's some Velcro on the back of this. So what you can do, there's some Velcro on the top here as well. You can just attach it. And then if you were wanting to mount this up in an upright position, then that would go into there, and you can just insert it there so it leans against that piece of the Velcro, and you've got it as a bit of a stand as well. So that's pretty much it. So the actual case itself is about sort of £25, and I think for what you get, it's a good case. It doesn't have any carry handles or anything else, which is why if I was taking it, it would be something, if I was sort of quite local, just carry it in my hand, or more likely I'd put it in here and then put it in my backpack, because obviously you don't want to be throwing that in your backpack just by itself. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.